Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar. We have NEFFEX back. Long time no see NEFFEX, but anyway, this time we have him with Never Back Down. And we have his DNA all over this one, with the usual melody there, backed up with some great strumming and so on. So let's dive into this one. We need to have our capo high up here on the 8th fret. Why? Because we wanted high notes combined with easy chords, so that's the reason. So capo on 8s. Okay, so with that we have 4 different chords. Let's go over them. So starting here with A minor, that is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. We have C, that is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. We have F, and for this one, you don't need really the full bar chord actually, but yeah, it could be nice to have that with you. You know that it's the full chord, but we're gonna stay more on the bass strings here. But anyway, a bar here on the 1st fret over all strings, and then you need to add 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. And the final chord is D minor. So that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. Okay, so I'm gonna take you through this and I'm gonna give you some timestamps there throughout the song here. So from the beginning till about 1 minute and 3 seconds into the song, we're gonna use this melody, okay? I'm gonna give you that chord by chord. So starting off with A minor, it sounds like this. Okay, so that is open A together with 2nd G. And then 2nd G, then 1st B, then open E, then 1st B, then open B, then 2nd G 2 times, and 2nd D 2 times. Okay, then we go over to F here. You're gonna play the 1st fret E string together with 3rd D, then 3rd D again, then 2nd G, then 3rd B, then 2nd G, then 2nd D, then 3rd D 2 times, and then we have just a D minor left, and that is simply open D 2 times. And that's the melody, okay? So together it sounds like this. Yeah, slipped on one note, but anyway, I think you understand there. So this is a bit boring to play just like that, so we can combine this with a strumming here. And when you do the strumming, you hit as many notes as you can in this strumming, okay? So we're gonna play the A minor to begin with, and we're gonna learn the strumming pattern here, but we're gonna divide this into 2 different parts, so just for you to understand what's happening there. So A minor, 1 full strumming round will sound like this. Okay, so the starting here will be down, down, up. Okay, and then the part 2 will be clap, up, down, up. So down, down, up first. And part 2, clap, up, down, up. All right, so we're ready to play this pattern, just plain, no notes yet. So A minor, 2 full rounds. Then F, 1 full round plus part 1. And then D minor, part 1 again. So A minor 2 full, F 1, part 1, D minor part 1. Together. All right. So if we want to combine this with as many notes as possible from this melody into the strumming, it could sound something like this. Not the easiest thing to bring in the notes here from it, but you know where they are, so you can try to aim and point at certain notes there and have as many as possible, and that would give you some kind of melody here for it. Alright, so that was from the beginning till 1 minute and 3 seconds into the song. At that point, then we're gonna go with just straight downs. You're gonna play A minor, 4 downs, then C, 4 downs, then F, 6 downs, and D minor 2. Okay, so A minor, 4, C, 4, F, 6, 5, 6, and D minor 2. You do that for 2 rounds, and then we are at 1 minute and 17 seconds into the song. Then you're gonna add up this a lot more to do A minor, 16 downs, F, 12 downs, and D minor, 4 downs. So that will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, F2, F, and D minor, and continues it like this. For 2 rounds. And then we are about 1 minute and 31 seconds into the song. Now you're gonna go back to this A minor, 2 full strumming rounds, F, 1 round plus part 1, and D minor part 1. The thing we learned there to combine in the intro here with the melody here. So nothing new there. Then you're gonna do that for 8 rounds. Okay, so a long part there till about 2 minutes and 25 seconds into the song. At that point, you're gonna go back and play A minor 4, C4, F6, and D minor 2, just straight downs. You play that for 2 rounds, and then you will land on the song there to 2 minutes and 39 seconds into the song. At that point, you're gonna play again there repeatedly A minor, 16 fast downs, F, 12 downs, and D minor, 4 downs for 2 rounds. And then you have the final part you are about now in 2 minutes and 53 seconds into the song. You're gonna play the A minor, F, and D minor with the strumming. It's about 4 rounds there till the very end. So you have basically 3 different things of handling here. The melody with the strumming built in, then the downs 4, 4, 6, 2 on the following A minor, C, F, and D minor chord, and then the fast playing A minor, F, and D minor, 16 down. So that pretty much covers NEFFEX, Never Back Down. Hope you enjoyed it, and play tuned.